Nagpaabot naman ang pagbati si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. para sa kaarawan ni Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim. Ang Pangulo inalala ang magagandang pagkakaibigan nila ng punong ministro bilang mga lider ng ASEAN. Si Alan Francisco sa detalye.
Nagpahatid ng kanyang birthday wishes si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. kay Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim.
To my dear friend, Prime Minister Anwar, I am so happy to be able to greet you on your special day. We have known each other for some years now, even before we assumed our roles as fellow leaders in ASEAN.
Kasabay nito, inalala ni Pangulong Marcos sa kanyang post sa YouTube ang mga magagandang pagkakaibigan nila bilang mga ASEAN leaders.
Our friendship has helped make the challenges of leadership more bearable. Sometimes, I dare say, even enjoyable. For me, you are more than just a neighbor in ASEAN. You are a trusted friend with whom I share many fond memories.
Kasabay ng kani-kanilang gampanin sa rehiyon at international community, pinuri ni President Marcos ang dedikasyon ng punong ministro ng Malaysia. Gayon din, ang mga kapwa nila naging simulain, pagsubok at tagumpay para magpatuloy sa pagsisikap ng kani-kanilang bansa.
At this point in our lives, we have been charged to lead our respective nations and play important roles in this region and in the wider international community. Your unwavering dedication to Malaysia and our shared vision for the region have been a source of inspiration. Together, we have addressed numerous challenges and celebrated some successes. Much has been done, yet much is left to do. And I'm glad to have a dear friend with me as we navigate the uncertainties that lie ahead. From sharing the microphone at karaoke night to sharing the floor at the bilateral and multilateral levels, we've come some way.
Bago magtapos sa kanyang mensahe, ipinarating ni President Marcos ang kanyang pasalamat kay Malaysian Prime Minister.
I'm grateful for every opportunity that we have had through the years to share ideas and to learn from each other's experiences as we continue to steer our nations and the region towards a future of peace and prosperity for our people.
Ipinarating din ng Pangulo kung gaano niya pinahalagahan ang kabutihan ng punong ministro ng Malaysia.
On a personal note, I want to emphasize how much I value the bonds that our families share. Your wisdom, kindness, and strength have been invaluable to me, and I look forward to more years of friendship and cooperation.
Alan Francisco, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.